going to Asakusa by train. It's so windy and cold. My hair is not it, but I got matcha.
Chewy from Twice. Ilan ba sila? 9, diba? 13. 9. The 10th member of Twice eating matcha ice cream.
Taste test.
Ano yun?
Asakusa. We're gonna get some snacks. Tanghulu, daifuku, tango. Taste test. We're now seated at the sukiyaki restaurant. We're in line to go check the temple. So many people. I got bad fortune.
Bad fortune kayo lahat. Kali nyo yan.
Delete nyo na yan. Regular ako eh.
Fortune, ikikita.
They say if you have bad fortune, you're gonna have to die it. I'm so sad. Going to the temple.
Are you bored?
We're here in Akihabara. Akihabara. And we're gonna go shopping if possible. Pray that I will find a K-pop album.
Nada.
Specifically an hype Japanese album. It is so cold. So cold. I can't. But then it's cold, like very cold because it's windy. If it wasn't windy, then I would be like okay with the cold. But no, it's super windy. K-pop. I don't think they sell like K-pop here, but I really want to get those Japanese albums. Oh my god, Sylvania families! Okay.
Oh my god, this is so cute.
I'm gonna get Milan a pasalubong since she always gets me a pasalubong.
Look
So.
at this.
Hello Kitty has a kimono. They have and Hyping Gachapon. I'm gonna get Gachapon. I'm gonna get. I'm manifesting anyone actually.
Get that. Huh? You got a fan. It's a fan.
I got Jenny. Oh my god.
Fan pala yan.
I thought there was something small.
Akala ko rin.
We're in the cafe now. This is what I ordered. This is what's meringue? I thought it was ice cream.
Okay na.
Group. Got two gachapons. The first one I got Minato, which I love, thank you. But I really wanted Itachi. And I got him on my second try. I'm gonna open it later. I'll be finally trying the daifuku. So this daifuku went through so much today. As you can see, that's how it looks like now. It's not as pretty, but I'm sure.
Dead fuku.
Dead fuku. I'll just fix it. I'll just fix it to make it look pretty. Yeah! Guys, I'll be. It smells so good.
Sige na natin.
I'm gonna try the strawberry. These strawberries are so sweet. This is red beans, mochi. I'm sorry, pretend you didn't see that.
We all saw that.
That was delicious. Bye-bye. Okay, I'm back in our room. Pouch. You did it. Oh my god, look at that. So cute. Oh my god, look how cute. Oh